Here goes nothing. No! Oh my god!
Right towards me. Yeah, there you go. Wow, Connor just brings his own food to your basement? Connor, no food allowed down here.
Alright guys, so we're back with another video. Finally with the PC build. We have Dylan right here, I don't think you can see him, but we have Connor, you can see him. And we're finally gonna build PC. So I'm gonna run over with all the parts and we're gonna go from left to right. And then we'll start building. So this is the 275R case from Corsair. It's all white mid tower. Has acrylic glass on the side.
Iron Boy.
This is a white case. We have RGB strip lights, which actually aren't in the box. Right. So we have the motherboard right here. I don't think you can see it.
Lift it up.
We have the Asus Prime X470 Pro. This is a white motherboard. It has RGB on the side. Right here you can't really see, but right there it has RGB. It has two M.2 slots. And maybe I'm gonna be putting a 2600 in here, but I don't have it yet, so I'll have it later this week. Should do. Then we have Vengeance RGB Pro RAM from Corsair. This is two 8GB stick from 3200 megahertz. It's really fast, so it's gonna pair well with. We have a 2TB hard drive. This is actually from my old computer, but I'm gonna reformat it and then I'm gonna put Windows on an M.2 SSD. I have a 500B power supply. So 500. We have an AIO to cool the CPU because I'm gonna be overclocking it to 4 gigahertz. 240EX white, and then last but not least, we have the GeForce GTX 1060. This is 6 GB. This is actually a popular card now, considering that the RTX 2060 came out and the GTX 1660 Ti just came out as well. You could finally start building, and then I have all my
Shitty tool.
my tools. Yeah. Something?
That's from Friday. I didn't finish it.
Holy. Look at this view. Take it out of the box. Oh. There you go. I think I have stuff inside there. Oh my god, this thing's so beautiful. I'm sure it's second and fourth slot.
Oh yeah, the gray ones?
So,
Isn't it always the gray ones? Like the second and fourth? I never see it being the first and the third.
So is it this way? Yeah, it's in there.
Remember in mine, you have to push it so hard.
There you go. There we go. Move them all in. Boom. Ram. Done.
Right.
Alright, now we're gonna put the motherboard inside the...
Wait, you don't want to take this off for now?
Oh, wait, actually, I should peel this off.
You're doing it so bad.
I know.
It's gotta be satisfying. Alright, this is really... Oh yeah, your head was blocking all the light.
An SLI bridge right there.
Oh yeah, but you're not gonna use that.
Yeah.
I really wish mine came with this.
Alright, now the motherboard is in. I think I'm gonna do the radiator. Yeah, do cross plat or cross thingamajig.
Cross screw? Or what's it called? Crisscross applesauce?
Here is if like you would need to replace the liquid. It's actually cool because look, you can see on this side, they have like little holes at the back.
Oh yeah, for airflow?
Yeah. Hopefully I'm
Oh, that's cool.
Right. Oh, yeah.
You need an electric screwdriver. Just go zzz,
To do this faster.
Connor.
Yeah. Okay. What?
What?
Bro, why isn't this not good?
And you know I can still see you, right?
No. That's why I requested you for cameraman, bitch. I knew that. Okay, so we just tested it right now, and as you can see, if we put the radiator right here, it does not fit, because
It does not line up the screw holes.
actually, wait, tallest RAM for a tallest kid. All right.
So I guess we're gonna have to move it to the front.
So that changes everything.
Here, move it to the front and have it come like from here, going this way. Or maybe from the top.
I'm gonna probably put one fan for now in the middle or something.
Wait, you're gonna get more for the top?
I'll probably do a fan right here.
Or in the future, you gotta have like 3 at the top.
I think this is only 240.
Oh, only 2? Wow.
I think. I don't know.
Yes.
Everything, Connor. What's your opinion on this?
What's your opinion on this, Connor? Stop being shy.
Yes, that's how you pull a Hadid.
All this, I put it at the top and it fit, but that's because I didn't have the RAM.
Yeah, your RAM's so much taller than mine.
Yeah, you could even see that on the
We had the
side.
same RAM though. Yours is just the RGB version.
Now this cable.
No, it's not.
Okay.
Okay, so this is...
Those are nice screws, huh, Connor?
Right.
Wait, is the tube coming from the top or the bottom?
Oh my god.
I think line it up right here.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna just quickly screw all these screws in for the radiator because we couldn't do it at the top, but I'm gonna do a time lapse, so I'll see you then. This radiator is in now, and now I'm going to put this back on, and then
Wait, how are you gonna do the tube? Are you just gonna do it like this?
yeah.
It's gonna be hitting this fan at the top here.
Alright guys, taking a little lunch break.
You're taking a lunch break while we start through being your slaves.
Yeah, I want.
I eat actual breakfast food. Turkey bacon, eggs, English muffin,
But on weekends, I don't.
omelet.
I had 2 pancakes in the.
No, the thing is, you just have to have more McDonald's.
Alright, so I just finished eating. Now we're gonna go back to
You're still hungry.
thing.
I know it. What?
So I'm gonna put on the bracket.
Yeah, I can make a 5
It lines up like
No, I
that.
don't want it. It's not.
Okay, wait, so we need 4? 4, yes. These. Alright. Welcome to Martha Stewart's Asian Cuisine. So today we're gonna be going from crooks to cooks. This goes in here. Yeah.
Oh, you're. Hadid sit next to her?
Connor, you want that chair, whatever you're. Now we gotta do these brackets. So I think it's inside.
Welcome. Oh, that was nice.
Just like that.
What even is that? Oh, that's attached to the little block.
Yeah.
But the other one won't. How did that one go in though?
I'm gonna hold that.
Here, push it down. Oh, yeah, it's that one corner is not.
All right, so we just put these in. They're working now. Now when I get the actual CPU, I put that in. Just screw it in just like that. And then now this, I'm gonna plug it in right there.
I don't know what that is, but okay.
That's to plug in more fans. Let's see, under, right? Yeah.
Do you even have slots? Oh yeah. No, don't do that. Power and stuff, like the power switch and all that.
It like helps where to put these.
What are those though?
These are like the front panel connections, and then that is
The power, the reset,
Yeah.
the HD audio, and the USB port.
to help.
Well, not ports. We already plugged in USB
It
port.
says power reset. How'd you know actually? Okay, now power switch. Yeah.
All right, now come back. We can't see anything. Your hand's blocking everything.
Oh yeah, whatever. That's good. Hi, Connor. All right, now that's.
Connor, you look like Jill.
I'm gonna do the hard drive now.
Already, Jill.
Oh no no. Oh. All right, so hard drive's in. This, I didn't even block it. That's supposed to be like that.
But then you can't put a USB in it. We tried it.
I know. I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna do the power supply next. I left one of the cables from the RGB strip in here.
I always watch like Tech Block and all those YouTubers, and they're always talking about people like doing like setup boards, and people put their fan going up, and I never understood that. Huh?
Wait 1 minute.
Oh God, I felt that.
Not fan. Then we'll make it fit.
Yeah, well, see.
It's so dark. Can I turn the flash on?
Bro.
Will it? I don't think it can fit.
Oh yeah, there.
Oh, it fit. Wow.
Okay, so this is actually good now. I put the fan right there, and it's actually blocking the CPU, the pin from the power supply. So it's blocking that, so you can't see that, which is actually good. And then it'll light up. This cable, though, I really want to hide it. Like
Graphics card.
I'll do graphics card.
It's like you guys going PC shopping or PC parts.
Ooh.
I'm on it.
Here, ride that. Ride
Hey
that.
guys, want to play a game?
What?
Tell me what's wrong with this computer.
What do you mean? Tell you what's wrong? Nothing's wrong. I don't get it.
You didn't plug in that wire?
No, this you can't even yet.
Give you a hint.
What?
Has to do with airflow.
You put the fans in the wrong way.
These exhaust.
These don't have to be intake, not.
Originally supposed to be going out like
Is this one exhaust?
Yeah, this is exhaust.
And what about this one?
So it was exhaust, but then
Fucking dumb shit.
I'm gonna do the graphics card. Actually, no, I'm gonna do this stuff.
Wait, no. Wait, do the power supply, like plug in all the cable.
At the bottom.
Here?
Can even fit.
Here, stop. Yeah. No, the fan goes on the bottom.
Oh.
Come on, Connor. Gone.
Alright guys, I'm gonna now put in the graphics card.
Don't touch my USB thing.
All the cable management back here.
You didn't paint that.
These things, yeah.
You painted all of these.
Yes. Look at.
Yeah, let me just.
Yeah, it's ready. I'm keeping that in the board. Yeah, now
The cable?
That looks like a deep piece.
This looks ugly.
Alright guys, so Dylan and Connor, they just left right now. So I'm gonna try to do as much best cable management as I could. It is right there. That is the chip. Trying to get though. Make sure there's no bent pins. That chip right here. The Ryzen chip. I'm gonna be putting this sticker like probably somewhere. So now this is in the cooler. I'm gonna hook this up to the AIO pump fan, which, with that being said, I'm gonna finally put on the back of this. Then I'm gonna put on that, and then we're finally going to turn it on. So I'll see you then. Here goes nothing. No way. Yo, let's change the color. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, guys, this is sick. Okay, so I'm in the BIOS right now. It's at 3.4 gigahertz, alright. 122. So we're gonna change this all the way to 3200 megahertz, 1.35. Alright guys, so I just downloaded the GeForce driver, so now I'm gonna do the motherboard driver, and then yeah, it's gonna be it. So I guess I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Give it a like if you did, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.